Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up some of the most important PCB rules in Altium Designer. So before you start routing your PCB, it's very important to define these constraints properly. These help you avoid errors later and make sure your design passes DRC as design rule check. So let's get straight into it. First, open up Altium Designer. From the top menu, go to the Design and then Rules. This will open up the PCB rules and constraints editor, where all design rules are defined. So here we can begin with, here we have design rules, and we can start with this electrical. So click on clearance. And you will see here that we have, here you can control the spacing between different electrical objects, such as trace to trace. We have here trace to trace options, trace to path, trace to via, trace to another copper object, and so on. So you can also choose between simple and advanced. Depending on how detailed you want the rule to be. Then we have here routing. As you can see, we can have here add minimum, max width, preferred width, check tracks, arcs, min max with individuals on all of the layers. You can also set here just specific ones if you want. And yeah, that's how you can do. As you can see here, routing priority, you have everything what you want. So here you can set up routing vias, diameters, via hole size. Here you can also set where will this happen, so on nets, net class, and so on. Also what we have also plane settings. We can open up this one. So power plane connector style, power plane clearance, power polygon connected style. We have also here, yes. And we can choose where the first object match, where the second object matches. Also we have more advanced options. Like so. And yeah, and that's where and how you set up your rules, that while you are making your PCB, the program follow these rules and warning you if you breach some rules. So these are the essential PCB design rules you should always set before starting your layout in Altium Designer. If you want more helpful tools, check out the previous videos which I make about Altium Designer. So, and if you found this video helpful, consider to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.